अब आवश्यकताओं को क्लासिफाई। तो अब हम सोचें, मैं सिर्फ जो एक पॉइंट जो कहना चाह रहा हूं वो ये कहना चाह रहा हूं, जैसे हम में से कुछ लोग इंजीनियर्स हैं, हम में से कुछ लोग कोई टीचिंग, कोई बिजनेस, कुछ और, कोई कुछ और, है ना, कोई स्टूडेंट है। तो हम ये सब जिनका पूरा हो गया है, इसके बावजूद भी ये इससे कनेक्ट नहीं हुआ, है ना, ये क्या झंझट हो गया, क्या मान्यता इसके पीछे अटक गई? हाँ,
विलासिता के पीछे भागने की वजह से बाकी जो तत्व हैं, पदार्थ, जीव और प्राण, उसके साथ जो असंतुलन हो जाता है और बस इसी तरह से पूरा सिस्टम डिस्टर्ब हो जाता है और इसीलिए निरंतर सुख की कल्पना नहीं की जा सकती।
चलिए मान लेते हैं। हाँ जी, आप कुछ करें।
Yes.
हाँ,
Suppose you don't have all these things. Just like when I am in the Vaman stage itself, I have realized both are not connected. So, do you suggest that I should not
No.
go across all these phases and directly go there?
नो, एग्जैक्टली नॉट।
So,
नो, है ना। तो मैं सिर्फ इतना कहना चाह रहा हूं कि ये सब हमारी जिंदगी का हिस्सा है ना, इट्स ए पार्ट एंड पार्सल, ठीक। लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं क्या हमको बता दिया, हमको बता दिया कि बेटा पढ़ लो, 2 रोटी के लायक हो जाओगे, है ना। तो इस समझ में आया कि 2 रोटी के लायक होना ही जिंदगी है। फिर बताया कि देखो उसको, देखो वो तुमसे आगे है। अब ये भी समझ में आया कि दूसरों से आगे निकलने का नाम जिंदगी है। 2 बातें समझ में आ गया, 2 रोटी के लायक होने का नाम जिंदगी है, दूसरों से आगे निकलने का नाम जिंदगी है, ठीक। ये जो जीने की फिलॉसफी है, ये हमको कहां से मिली? लाभोन्माद, भोगोन्माद, कामोन्माद, है ना। और ये फिलॉसफी को हम लेके हम भी ढो रहे हैं। यदि मुझको बताया गया होता कि इंजीनियरिंग तुम्हारी जिंदगी का एक पड़ाव है ना, ये तुम्हारी मंजिल नहीं है, तो मैं आगे भी सोचता। जिनकी 2 रोटी की जरूरत पूरी हो गई है वो दौड़ रहे हैं, जिनकी लगता है कि अब यार अब व्हाट नेक्स्ट, अब उनके सामने वैक्यूम है। तो इसके साथ में कनेक्ट होना, तो कुल मिला के इसको यदि पॉजिटिवली कहें तो ये हमारी जिंदगी के पड़ाव है। भ्रमवश, आउट ऑफ इल्यूजन, हमने पड़ाव को ही मंजिल मान लिया। स्टेप्स, भ्रमवश हमने स्टेप्स को ही मंजिल मान लिया, और स्टेप पे पहुंच के मैं तो कह रहा हूं मैं तो मंजिल पे पहुंच गया हूं और मैं वहीं पे रुका हुआ हूं, है ना। ये एक बहुत सीरियस कंसर्न है। हर परिवार अपने बच्चे को कहता है कि बेटा पैसा ही सब कुछ है ना, माने डायरेक्टली इनडायरेक्टली, है ना। और समाज भी ये बताता है कि पैसा होने से सब ठीक हो जाता है। देखिए, अब अपन कहें यहां कुछ भी, सुबह से लेकर शाम तक का कार्यक्रम देखें और हम क्या चीज के लिए मेहनत कर रहे हैं उसको देख लें एक बार। क्या चीज के लिए मेहनत कर रहे हैं? पैसा, ठीक। हम कहें कुछ भी, लेकिन हमारी जीने की फिलॉसफी डायरेक्टली इनडायरेक्टली समाज ये बताता है कि भाई पैसा ही सब कुछ है और पैसा होने से सब ठीक होगा। तो ये जो पूरा मामला हो गया, इसको मैं दूसरे शब्दों में इस तरह से कभी कहने की कोशिश करता हूं। वही तो कह रहा हूं, यही कंफ्यूजन हो गया ना। हम सब किसी पड़ाव पे आके रुक गए हैं और ये मान के कि हम मंजिल पे पहुंच गए हैं, है ना। आप कुछ कहना चाह रहे हैं?
During the interviews with a large number of students,
Yes.
we asked the same question.
Right.
What is your objective?
हाँ.
And what answer we get is exactly this padav. My objective is to do MBA.
Right.
My objective is to be a CEO.
Yes.
Then when we question them further, and that is where I wanted to, is basically they are not able to think beyond. The capacity to think itself restricts them to think of a long-term goal. When we tell them that your objective in life, is it being a CEO, not having a family, not having children, not having a car or a bungalow or whatever it is. Yes, of course. So they are probably putting that in the words, and they are not able to think beyond, and that is why the padao becomes the manzil temporarily. As you reach a particular milestone, benchmark, you think of the next benchmark, and probably that is the nature, and that is also the way we are, you rightly said, educated. That today your objective is in 10th standard you must pass, in 12th standard you must get this many, right now you should focus on CET, now you focus on CAT, now that you focus on UPSC, this thing, in IAS, now you must get into this cadre, after that you must reach a secretary level. When he retired as a secretary, and I was very surprised, I had the occasion to meet Mr. Krishnamurthy, who was the Chief Election Commissioner till a few months back, and a very simple man, I mean as simple a person like any of us. When I asked him that question, having reached, he said, no, this is just a way of thinking. Now I got into real life. After retirement, he came and spoke to our students, and he said, now I have got into real life. Now I am working for an NGO. I am trying to organize something. I met the UGC chairman the other day, and so retired person, 6 months back he retired. I asked him the same question. He said, no, now I am working for an NGO. They have made an organization called Education Promotion Society of India, under which they are trying to utilize the infrastructure and the academic infrastructure of the institutions in Pune, in and around Pune, to, or in the Western India, to efficiently utilize the academic and infrastructure resources. So your point is absolutely correct. It may be, I mean, this is my way of thinking probably, and based on the interviews that I have had with a large number of students, is that they are not able to think beyond a particular thing, and that is a conditioning made by our newspaper, TV, society, friends, everybody.
They realize what they can do at that point. Let us say they have realized at the age of 10th, okay, they have realized, yes, what next, what next, what next. Finally it is at that point. But what they can do at that point, I mean, a person who can do at the age of 60, even if I realize at the age of 10, can I do that? Is one question. No, it's not a compromise. See, nature has its own laws. If somebody, just 1 second, if somebody is matured at the age of some, can you change that? That's the nature. You take the occurrences of how many maturities are happening at what age. And if you say, somebody has to mature at the age of 2, does it occur? You are thinking something different from the nature of the law, which is not correct. That is the disorderness. That is the disorderness.
See, that is what exactly he has brought in. That is Swatantrata, Karya Swatantrata,
no.
or Kalpanashilta. He has the Kalpanashilta, but he doesn't have the Karya Swatantrata.
So you mean thinking? No.
There are people who are done
No, thinking, which means
Kalpana Shakti, that I can independently start.
What is Kalpana Shakti? Adolescent stage is,
see, today,
maybe, based on several occurrences, if that is happening at the age of 13, is it Kalpana Shakti? It is not Kalpana Shakti, that is the reality. Because that has been happening for over generations, it has been happening. And how can I think that as a Kalpana Shakti?
Then why we say that at the age of 60 when person retires, we always say that we wish you all that what you could not succeed in doing in the whole life, you will let us get the good health and all that to complete it. That's because he had an adjustment with his life. In order to earn his bread and butter, he had accepted some certain thing as an occupation. Maybe there are very few people who really take up the things as what they, like Mr. Somji, who has now taken up. Of course, he realized that engineering is something which is not, and he was fully convinced about it, and therefore he took. And probably at the age of 60, he will say, yes, my life is fully fulfilled.
Madam, I have a
but persons
okay,
like
I have a
me,
direct question at this point.
Just
I have a
let me,
no,
let me
just
complete.
okay.
Let me complete,
Okay.
and then you can put number
Yes,
of
yes,
questions.
okay.
Not at all, absolutely no problem.
Okay.
But then, person like me, suppose I am so much interested in journalism or so. Today, even if I feel so, I am conditioned, or I am rather compelled because of certain things that I have to continue. Unless I take VRS or so, I may not be in a position to do that. That is what lures me, or my Kalpana Shakti, or what it is. This Karya Swatantrata is not allowing me to do, because possibly I am not an established journalist. No one is going to accept, even if I start to tomorrow writing as freelancer also. So I may not be in a position to fulfill the other things, and therefore I don't enjoy that freedom, which I may enjoy after taking VRS or after that service retirement and something. That is what exactly we are.
बात ये है कि if in young age if somebody realizes what the real goal of life, so what he can do, he is helpless as he is saying. तो यहाँ पे मेरा कहना ये है कि सब लोग हेल्पलेस नहीं होते हैं. 16-17 की उम्र में रियलाइज करने वाले बहुत सारे बच्चे माँ बाप के साथ बगावत करके अपने रास्ते पर निकल जाते हैं. तो ऐसा ये यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ नहीं कि बच्चा कुछ नहीं कर सकता. खुदीराम बोस का उदाहरण है, 16 साल में फांसी पे चढ़ गया. भगत सिंह है, उनके घर वालों ने नहीं चाहा था. तो ऐसा होता है, बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो घर छोड़ देते हैं. समाज सेवा करना है तो कर ले, उसी के पीछे चले जाते हैं.
I think we are talking about 2 to 5% people.
हाँ, मैं उनकी बात कर रहा हूँ.
95% people
नहीं कर पाते हैं वो.
What is being imposed, and you are making a compromise with the situation,
so
with the condition.
Yes.
वो जो चल के आ रहा है वही स्वीकार करने में ही अपना सुख है, क्योंकि हम दूसरा अलग सा we like to always flow. For those 95%, basically we are conducting this type of courses to let them realize. Yes. That is what exactly. That is
yes,
why
yes.
what he is raising point is about 5%, and what we are talking about is for 95%.
हाँ जी, आप कुछ कहना चाह रहे हैं?
I wanted to make a point. I think probably this will clear out the web in which we are entangled. What happens is that every society, now let us say this is consumer producing society, consumer goods are being produced. It has its own laws. The economic process has, production process has its own laws, and it is independent of everyone, the person who invests, the owner and the worker and the middle management people. Similarly, if we look at that, all this is independent kind of system itself, the society at large, various orders are there. And if we look at the economic process, it will cast its own spell. How many engineers to be produced, which kind of quality, telecommunication or electronics or aero engineering, and management, how many students to be produced, IT, it is the market forces which decide. So there is some laws operating within this framework. And those laws actually give us through the media, through parents, because parents also are a part and parcel of the whole system. And therefore, all these illusions, we stick to these illusory ideas. We stick to them realizing that they are illusory, and we are not able to come out of it. I would like to equate this, for example, till we exceed a certain threshold velocity, we cannot go out of the magnetic field of Earth. This is what exactly happens. And those few people who can transcend these limitations, they obviously will do something which is very absolutely innovative. Age is not a barrier. We do not know. We have to investigate. Yeah, that's not the point.
तो लगता है कि शायद वो जो थ्रेशोल्ड वेलोसिटी है ना, वो कुल मिला के समझ ही है, वो आदमी में ही घटने वाली घटना है. अभी कुछ लोगों की वो संस्कार, अभी जिनकी घटती भी है, वो किसी पॉइंट पे जाके हम परेशान होने लगते हैं, निराश होने लगते हैं. मैं भी उनमें से एक हूँ, था, आप भी उनमें से एक हैं, है ना. तो जब तक हमारे पास विकल्प नहीं है, unless and until we have a practicable alternate or a solution or a natural solution